Hello, creators! Waking up, logged into your YouTube analytics, and seeing your YouTube views fall overnight made your heart sink? You are not alone here. Today, we're investigating the causes of decreasing YouTube views, how to fix them, and how to make your videos go viral once more. Before we begin, comment below if your video views have recently dropped. Let's develop together via group events. What I believed would be a major success I submitted. My YouTube views, nevertheless, dropped off following the first 48 hours. My click-through rate declined below 2%, and my audience retention fell down to 30%. I felt like the YouTube algorithm had abandoned me, but I will share with you the genuine reasons for the fall in YouTube views following months of testing. First, let's separate the most common causes. 1. CTR, or poor click-through rate. Less people click if your YouTube titles and thumbnails aren't appealing. The CTR is extremely important. A great YouTube title and a powerful thumbnail design can really help a dying video return. 2. Weak audience retention. The YouTube algorithm places top priority on videos intended to keep viewers engaged. Your video is no longer recommended if your watch time is short. Concentrate on narrative and on captivating viewers in the first 15 seconds. 3. Algorithm modifications. The YouTube algorithm modification sometimes happens overnight. Last month's success may not translate today. Staying current is crucial. 4. Trends and seasonability. Some topics lose curiosity naturally. For example, if your video is about holiday goods, views will decline once the season is over. 5. Audience saturation. Your audience stops engaging if they have seen too often similar material. Always try new video ideas and unique points of view. 6. Competitiveness. If competitors begin producing superior video content, your visibility could drop. You must constantly enhance video quality and viewership. 7. Exhaustion from notifications. If viewers turn off notifications, your subscribers do not get alerts. Tell them to press the small bell. 8. Erratic upload calendar. The YouTube algorithm is confused by indiscriminate uploading. Consistency builds channel authority and aids in the development of trust. You could right now conduct these actions to reclaim those sites. Make thumbnails and titles better. See every video title evoke interest and every YouTube thumbnail pop. Employ power words like how to, secrets, or top 10. Improvement of viewing time. Within the first minute, add teasers and hooks. To keep excellent viewership, break stuff down. Demand involvement. Additional remarks remind YouTube that your material is excellent. So if this helps you, answer below. What is your biggest difficulty with YouTube views? Metadata change. Add relevant video tags and keywords together with a clear description. This helps the YouTube search engine rate your material. Make playlists. Organizing videos into YouTube playlists will help you to extend session duration and maintain viewers binge watching on your channel. If you have gained anything new yet, please comment and let me know what method you intend to attempt initially. Your remarks help me to create more interesting films for you. Look, views are lost even by the biggest channels. Development on YouTube is never steady. The fluctuation is, successful musicians never give up. They regularly add, modify, and submit. Consider this. Next month, your YouTube channel reappears on the suggested feed. Your ideas fly, your fans grow, and your work starts going viral. It is doable, however, you have to act today. If you think this video is useful, subscribe and enable the notifications bell. Give this video a thumbs up as well. It really lets the YouTube algorithm understand you favor more content of this kind. Comment below so we may build an artist community supporting one another. I would love to hear from you. Have your viewpoints changed lately? How did you heal yourself? Enjoy seeing? Constantly. Keep making, keep getting better. Your YouTube success will follow. In the next movie, see you.